Before we start, I would like to point out 93% of people watching my videos are not subscribed. Please consider subscribing. It's free and it takes 3 seconds. Now, enjoy the video.
The Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department has issued a shelter-in-place warning until further notice. A secondary explosion has occurred on the One Saladin Casino. Shelter-in-place but going into a room and locking all doors and windows. Law enforcement orders citizens to shelter-in-place. Please adhere to this order as this order will keep you safe. Stay in your homes. Keep off the Las Vegas Strip. This concludes this message.
Weather information you can plan on, because we show it on the 8s of every hour. Local on the 8s on the Weather Channel.